What's up everyone, I'm Jenny St. Lawrence, an abstract artist living in Southern California, and today we're going to go over how to gesso paper. Let's dive in. All right, so let's jump to the studio. First we have to grab materials. So you need a brush. A small brush like this will work. A larger brush like this will also work. Really depends on the size of your paper and how much surface area you're trying to cover. If you don't prefer working with brushes and you like more of a palette knife finish, definitely grab one of those and you spread the gesso on the paper similar to butter. Next up is gesso. Any type of gesso will work. This is a personal preference for most people. And then we're moving on to paper. So this right here is Fabriano 300-pound cold press watercolor paper. I have painted on this without gessoing it. As you can see to the right, that is the gessoed version. To the left is the natural version, the way it comes when it's shipped to you. Okay, so make sure you have cardboard put down or something that is somewhat semi-larger to your paper. Then you want to place your paper on down. Make sure everything is lined up and even. And then let's grab the gesso and get to work. I prefer to just dunk the brush directly into the jar like so and have at it. There's really no rhyme or reason to the way in which you gesso this paper. I prefer to take it all the way to the edges. Again, it is personal preference. I get questions a lot. Do you have to gesso your paper before you paint on it? I would answer that by saying it depends on the paper in which that you're painting on. And honestly, it's personal preference. If you're an oil painter, yes, 100% you should be gessoing paper before you paint on it, simply because you have oil in your paint. If you paint with primarily acrylics, those are water-based. They're not going to seep into the paper as much. However, it really just depends on what you're going for. If you want more of a canvas-like finish, definitely gesso. All right, and that is it. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you next time. Stay creative.